Tired of vacuuming? The future is hands-free. We rank top 5 robot vacuums. Self-emptying marvels with laser navigation, allergen-zapping HEPA filters, and suction strong enough to conquer pet hair, crumbs, and outdoor deck debris. Want a vacuum mop hybrid or months of runtime? Tap play. Your spotless home starts now. Number 1. Meet the Eufy L60, a cleaning powerhouse engineered for ultimate convenience. Featuring a groundbreaking self-empty station and hair detangling technology, this robot handles messes hands-free for up to 60 days, letting you enjoy a pristine home without constant interruptions. Its ultra-strong 5,000 Pascal suction effortlessly lifts hair, crumbs, and dust in a single pass, while the iPath laser navigation crafts precise maps for efficient cleaning. Customize your cleaning zones with the intuitive AI. Map 2.0 via the app, set no-go areas, and target specific rooms with ease. Compact yet mighty, its sleek black design fits seamlessly into any decor. With every pass, the Eufy L60 redefines cleaning efficiency, ensuring your floors are spotless while you reclaim your time. Number 2. Step into the future of home cleaning with the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra, a beast built for deep cleaning and smart home integration. Its Matrix Clean navigation, powered by 360-degree LiDAR vision, charts out every corner of your home for a methodical cleaning experience, ensuring no speck is left behind. Equipped with a bagless, self-emptying base and HEPA filtration that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens, this robot is a godsend for pet owners and allergy sufferers alike. Enjoy the freedom of voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant as you schedule sessions effortlessly, and experience extended runtime up to 120 minutes for whole home coverage. The dynamic design in dark gray/silver not only looks modern but also packs cutting-edge technology, making it a must-have for those seeking reliable high-performance cleaning. Number 3. Discover the roborock Kyo 8 Max Plus, a true dual-action marvel that vacuums and mops simultaneously for a truly deep clean. This robot is engineered for uninterrupted performance, boasting an automatic self-emptying feature that allows up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning. With a robust 5,500 Pascals, Hyperforce suction, and innovative duo-roller brush technology, stubborn pet hair and ingrained dirt vanish in one go. Its reactive tech obstacle avoidance ensures smooth navigation through tight spaces and around furniture, while the app-controlled mopping feature lets you tailor water usage to every surface. Precise LiDAR mapping creates an intelligent blueprint of your home, optimizing every cleaning run with minimal noise. The Q8 Max Plus isn't just smart, it's a cleaning companion designed for efficiency, style, and effortless maintenance. Number 4. Though renowned as a high-performance floor cleaner, the iLife V9 Pro's dynamic technology makes it a versatile addition for poolside maintenance too. Engineered with a self-emptying station that holds up to 30 weeks of debris, this 3-in-1 cleaning marvel sweeps, vacuums, and mops with precision. With an astonishing 20,000 Pascal suction and smart gyroscope navigation, it follows systematic routes to cover every nook, ensuring pool decks and surrounding hard floors remain spotless. Customize your cleaning with multiple suction modes and control it effortlessly via the iLife Home app, Alexa, or remote control. Its rapid charging and extended runtime make it ideal for busy households, while the sleek design integrates seamlessly with your pool area decor. Experience ultimate efficiency and smart cleaning technology that leaves your poolside area inviting and pristine. Number 5. Experience the cutting edge with the Dreame L40 Ultra, a versatile, high-powered cleaning dynamo that combines vacuuming and mopping into one seamless experience. Boasting a staggering 11,000 Pascal suction, it conquers both dry dust and wet spills with precision. The innovative removable and liftable mop protects your carpets by automatically adjusting during transitions between surfaces. Its extendable side brush ensures even hard-to-reach corners receive a thorough clean, while smart technologies like 3D structured light built-in camera, and LED navigation map. Your home for flawless performance. With multiple suction levels, voice control integration, and customizable cleaning zones via the Dreame Home app, this robot adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. Plus, its self-cleaning mop feature using 149 degrees Fahrenheit hot water keeps maintenance minimal and hygiene at its peak. Enjoy a smarter, cleaner home with the Dreame L40 Ultra, your ultimate cleaning partner. So, which bot stole your heart? Smash that like button, subscribe for more tech magic, and ring the bell so you never miss a review. All links are in the description below. Check them out, compare specs, and grab exclusive deals. Thanks for watching.